In this video, we're going to be highlighting the validation tool in OceansMap. So the validation tool is a way for the user to compare model data against station measured data. This gives the user confidence in a model's predictions. So to start, the user selects a parameter that they care about. So for this example, let's select wave height. Then they need to select a station at which to pull the measured data from. So they can use this show available stations button. And what that will do is it will load the available stations and show them on a map. And this is useful if they don't know exactly which station to compare to, but they want to choose from a specific area. So let's choose this Delaware Bay station. And then we select a comparison model. So this is the model data that we are trying to validate. And the date range, the user can change this, but for now let's leave it at the default values. So we'll calculate this scenario, and we get this error statistics table. So we have the number of points is 54. We have the bias, the R-squared value, the RMS, and the scatter index. And each of these values are explained in the info tab up here. We have the scatter plot here that shows the model on the y-axis and the measured data on the x-axis, and then the apples-to-apples comparison plot. The user can hover over either of the lines on the plot to pull the data at that point. So you can see for this specific example, the black line is the model data and the blue line is the measured data. So it was over predicting, and then once wave height increased, it started under predicting, and you can see that reflected in the scatter plot here. So the user can download any of these plots using the button on the top right, and they can pull the data to further analyze on their own.